Welcome to section 6. We are getting closer and closer to setting up and running our A/B test. But first, we need to do a pre-test analysis. We need to do so to determine if we have sufficient data to run our A/B test and to calculate how long the test should run for statistically valid results. In this section, we will talk about statistics, the minimal detectable effect, regular expressions, the difference between binomial and non-binomial KPIs, and what to do if you have a website with insufficient traffic and conversions for statistically valid A/B tests. We will also cover tools useful for the pre-test analysis. Before we do our pre-test analysis, we have to determine the goal or KPI of our experiment. In most cases, this will simply be the final conversion in a funnel. So a transaction, a sign-up, or in some cases, the average order value. You could also use a micro conversion, like an add to cart or checkout visit. But this can be tricky. For example, if you make a certain promising claim or remove negative information about your product from the product detail page, you might have more add to carts. However, if you do not follow up on that claim, or visitors start looking for that piece of information, the number of transactions might not increase. It could even decrease. So have more add to carts, but you have fewer transactions. Therefore, I generally use the final conversion as the main KPI of my experiments. Of course, I also look at the micro conversions, like an add to cart. But if the number of add to carts decreases, but transactions increase, it is definitely a test winner. Now, let's do our pre-test analysis.